Hey,
Is this the right house?
yeah, you're being recorded, by the way. I'm gonna take my shoes off.
Hey, this is
Hello,
nice.
Hey, welcome.
Hi, yeah. Real. Oh, this is nice. Oh, shoes off.
Off limits.
Shoes off.
It was in the middle of the night, about 2:30 in the morning, and my son woke me up. He's a teenager. He just happened to be awake and woke me and my other son up, and we realized that the house was being filled with smoke. Grabbed the phone, went outside, called the fire department, and then realized that we needed possibly to go back in and get the cats, which they found a way out by themselves, but by that time it was only a few minutes and the house was completely enveloped in smoke, so there was no going back in at all. And we just basically stood out in the driveway and watched it burn. So yeah, everybody was safe, which is the most important thing. We had to find a place to stay, and that was difficult for a while. We ended up in a hotel and then into an apartment, and then Paul Davis came in and restored the place. It was basically what wasn't affected by flame was affected by soot and smoke. It's almost like when you look back, it happened to someone else, because it didn't, you really weren't thinking clearly. I guess what I was, when they first let us back into the house, and they said it was safe to come back in, I didn't think that there was going to be as much damage as there was, because you couldn't really see the flames from the outside. They put it out before it, started taking over the outside and the ceiling and the roof. I was shocked when I saw how bad it was.
When we met with Jim, Alex was there, and he seemed to really know what he was doing. He was easy to talk to and answered all of our questions, and I just thought he was the right one. It's been very, very good. Alex has been exceptional. Always answered our phone calls, always there when we needed him. he did a great job.
Yeah, he almost feels like he's part of the family now. We've talked so many times on the phone and texting. He got back to us immediately when we had questions. No matter how insignificant and silly the questions were, he always treated us with respect and consideration, and he was just terrific through the whole thing. He was the center of the whole restoration. They were conscientious. They really wanted everything to be right. They didn't want to just do it just enough to pass inspection. They were like, they're going to put their name on a painting. They want to make sure that it's perfect, and it's almost like they were doing it to their own house.
Yes,
Absolutely.
definitely. Yes.
Yes.